Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add filters to your videos on Zoom. So I do have to enable my video camera for this, but I'm not going to for today or any day. Anyways, go to video settings here, and I'm just going to go to the background and effects. I will just turn off my avatar here. Go to video filters and just select the one you want. They have some frames you can add to your camera like this, which I think is pretty cool. They have ones you can place on your face, but I can't show you that. But that is pretty much it. They can also, you can also change the background using these as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.